How to back up your entire Android phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can back up your entire Android phone. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. To back up your entire Android phone, you can use the built-in Google One backup in your settings. So the first step, this is the easiest and a recommended option. Head over to your settings. On your settings, search for backup. So search for backup here. If you find backup, that's great. If you don't, navigate to Google. Then after you're on your Google, you'll need to search for the backup option. If you don't find it here, head over to all services. On your all services, search for backup. So there you can see the backup option. Tap on backup. Now all you have to do is tap on this backup now. There you can see it can back up your photos and videos, including other device data. Now all you have to do is tap on backup now, and it'll start backing up after you choose what you want to back up. And this is basically it. That's how you back up your entire Android phone. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.